companion, just like I said in our book is, pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes, what? About assume a hat? Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. I had to. I can't stop sneezing. Oh no. What if? Pigs make me sneeze. Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. And we cannot be best friends. And we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. And achoo. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Speaking of cats, this is one of my cats in my bed where I read these books. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Dun, dun, dun. Gerald passed along his cold to Piggy. And that is in our fourth story. See you for the next story. Bye. Bye.